Today, I invite you to learn about one of the United Kingdom's most vibrant cities, Liverpool. A city with a rich history, a thriving cultural scene, and a passion that resonates globally. Liverpool, located in the northwest of England, sits on the eastern side of the River Mersey. With its bustling port and access to the Irish Sea, Liverpool has long been a gateway for trade, immigration, and cultural exchange. The city has a population of over 490,000, making it one of the largest cities in the UK, and the metropolitan area is home to more than 2 million people. Liverpool's history dates back to the 13th century, but it truly blossomed during the 18th and 19th centuries as a major port for the transatlantic slave trade, and later as a center of industry and commerce. Today, it is recognized as a UNESCO World Heritage Site, thanks to its architectural significance and historical importance, particularly the iconic Albert Dock area. Liverpool is perhaps most famously known for being the birthplace of the Beatles, the band that revolutionized music and left an indelible mark on popular culture. The city celebrates its musical heritage with countless music festivals, venues, and events. The Cavern Club, where the Beatles played their early gigs, remains a pilgrimage site for fans from around the world. But the city is not just about the Beatles. Liverpool is also the birthplace of legendary artists like Cilla Black, Billy Fury, and modern-day stars like John Bishop and Ellie Goulding. Beyond music, Liverpool has a thriving art scene. The Tate Liverpool and the Walker Art Gallery showcase world-class collections, while the Liverpool Philharmonic Orchestra continues to captivate audiences with its exceptional performances. The city's vibrant theater scene, from the Royal Court Theatre to the Everyman Theatre, keeps the cultural calendar full year-round. Liverpool is perhaps most famously known for being the birthplace of the Beatles, the band that revolutionized music and left an indelible mark on popular culture. The city celebrates its musical heritage with countless music festivals, venues, and events. The Cavern Club, where the Beatles played their early gigs, remains a pilgrimage site for fans from around the world. But the city is not just about the Beatles. Liverpool is also the birthplace of legendary artists like Cilla Black, Billy Fury, and modern-day stars like John Bishop and Ellie Goulding. Beyond music, Liverpool has a thriving art scene. The Tate Liverpool and the Walker Art Gallery showcase world-class collections, while the Liverpool Philharmonic Orchestra continues to captivate audiences with its exceptional performances. The city's vibrant theater scene, from the Royal Court Theatre to the Everyman Theatre, keeps the cultural calendar full year-round. Liverpool is also known for its sports culture, particularly its two world-renowned football clubs, Liverpool FC and Everton FC. The intense rivalry between the two teams brings a unique energy to the city, with passionate fans filling Anfield and Goodison Park. The city's footballing history is rich, and Liverpool FC's multiple European and domestic victories have cemented its place as one of the world's most successful and celebrated clubs. Liverpool's maritime history is also a key part of its identity. The city's docks were once among the busiest in the world, and today, the Merseyside Maritime Museum offers visitors a glimpse into the city's role in global trade, exploration, and even the infamous Titanic disaster. The city's waterfront is a stunning combination of historical and modern architecture, featuring landmarks like the Royal Liver Building, the Cunard Building, and the recently revitalized Liverpool Waters area. Liverpool is also a city of innovation and industry. The city's industrial revolution played a crucial role in shaping the modern world, from shipbuilding to global trade. Today, it is a hub for creative industries, technology, and education, with institutions like the University of Liverpool and Liverpool John Moores University contributing to the city's forward-thinking energy. Did you know Liverpool is home to one of the oldest public libraries in the world? The Liverpool Central Library, which opened in 1852, is a stunning architectural gem with its impressive circular reading rooms and a rich collection of books. The city is also known for its cultural festivals. Liverpool hosts an array of events throughout the year, including the Liverpool International Music Festival, Liverpool Biennial, and the famous Liverpool Sound City, celebrating new music and talent. Beyond the music, history, and art, Liverpool is a city known for its friendly and welcoming people. The Scouse accent and proud sense of identity are part of what makes Liverpool such a unique place to live and visit. It's a city that celebrates its history while looking forward to the future with ambition and pride. Liverpool's achievements are further recognized with its role as a European Capital of Culture in 2008, marking a significant moment in the city's cultural revival. Since then, Liverpool has continued to grow and evolve, with new projects, developments, and a thriving economy that embraces the future while honoring the past. The city's famous waterfront area, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, is home to the iconic Liver Building, which has watched over the Mersey River for over a century. The view of the docks and the river offers one of the most picturesque sights in the UK. Liverpool also boasts a fantastic food scene, from traditional British fare to global cuisine. The famous Liverpool Scouse, a hearty stew, is just one example of the city's culinary delights, and the vibrant food markets, like the Baltic Market, offer a range of international flavors. The city's diverse population has also contributed to a rich multicultural experience, influencing the food, music, and culture you'll find in every corner of Liverpool. Today, Liverpool is a dynamic and diverse city with a strong global presence. It continues to thrive as a center of culture, sport, and innovation, all while holding on to its historical roots and deep sense of pride. That's all for today, and we hope you have enjoyed this journey through Liverpool. Be sure to subscribe to the channel for more incredible stories about cities around the world. Stay curious, stay